In a traditional classroom, information flows one way. You deliver the lesson from the front, hoping 30 students are processing the material. But silence doesn't always signal comprehension. To transition to a model of active inquiry, we need a way to see what every student is thinking in real time. We achieve this by building an engagement multiplier. Using an AI Socratic lesson, you can track student comprehension as it happens. To start, you need 3 things: a teacher account on an AI education platform like School AI, a clear lesson topic, and individual smart devices for your students. Combining these tools shifts your role. You are no longer just a lecturer. You are the director of a classroom mission control. Step 1 is to prepare your hook. Use your AI platform to generate a quick brainstorming session based on your topic. This activates the students' prior knowledge and gets them interacting immediately. This setup utilizes relational AI. Relational AI refers to educational tools designed to ask the right questions to prompt deeper thinking, rather than simply handing out correct answers. There is a primary failure point to watch for. If left unconstrained, students will treat the AI like a standard search engine, typing in prompts to extract direct answers without doing any critical thinking. To prevent that, we activate Socratic mode. This enforces a human-in-the-loop workflow. A human-in-the-loop system requires a person to actively guide or interact with the AI to achieve an outcome. In this case, students must articulate their reasoning to the AI to move the conversation forward. Let's build the Socratic prompt. First, define a persona for the AI, assigning it a character like a curious explorer or a confused chef. Next, apply the first major constraint. Strictly forbid the AI from giving the student the direct answer under any circumstance. The second constraint dictates how the AI handles mistakes. If a student gives a wrong answer, the AI must ask a follow-up question that helps the student spot their own error. Finally, apply the third constraint. Limit the AI's responses to under 3 sentences. This maintains a fast, conversational pace. By setting these boundaries, the AI acts as a cognitive mirror. It reflects the student's thought process, forcing them to do the actual thinking. Now that your lesson constraints are set, we shift to monitoring the live execution through the platform's teacher dashboard. 30 modular blocks representing individual students stream data to a central dashboard, creating an instant heat map. When multiple students fail at the same step, the system triggers a confusion alert. You then execute a real-time pivot, pulling that flagged cluster aside for a micro-intervention. Consider a 6th grade math teacher named Mr. Aris. During a lesson on scaling ratios, his dashboard flagged a specific group of students who were quietly struggling with the abstract concepts. Before Mr. Aris even stepped in, the AI tutor had been acting as a confused chef, asking those students why they couldn't just add 10 more eggs to scale a recipe from 5 people to 50. Mr. Aris conducts a 5-minute review at a side table. While he focuses on that group, the rest of the class continues their independent, high-energy debates with their AI chefs. As the lesson concludes, you command the AI to aggregate and summarize the data from all the individual conversations. The system outputs a summary of the most common questions and misconceptions from the session. You take that list and use it to design your Do Now activity for the following morning. Establishing this real-time data feedback loop eliminates invisible student confusion. You know exactly who needs help and when, making every minute of your instructional time surgically effective. In your next lesson, try replacing one traditional hand-raising session with a digital AI pulse check. When you do this, watch the typically silent students. You will observe increased active participation from the kids who feel safer working through their thoughts with a private AI tutor first. Possessing live mission control data changes your physical path through the classroom. The data directs you straight to the students who need you most during independent work time. Integrating AI into your workflow gives you the reach to support 30 individual learning paths at once. It multiplies engagement, ensuring every student is mentally present and no one is left behind.